Good morning, guys. How are all my investor friends doing out there? Woo, it's been a rough week, okay? But we're hanging tough. We're hanging in there. Guys, one of the best things you could do in the market is be unemotional and just be calm, reevaluate what you have, and think positive, okay? The spring is coming. By the springtime, we're going to probably have a stimulus, okay? No matter what president we get, they're probably going to push that stimulus out and we'll get another round of some good stock market action. All you got to do is be patient, guys, and hang in there. Reevaluate what you have. If you have something that you're not really feeling and it's just kind of moving sideways, meaning it goes up and down a little bit, but it's not really making you a lot of money, and you've been hanging on to it, maybe losing a lot of money, sometimes the best thing to do is just cut the loss. Cut the loss and do it in an unemotional manner in which, you know, you're not really bothered by it. It's not going to ruin your day that you cut a loss, okay? Sometimes you have to regroup and take that money from whatever you get from that stock that was not doing you right and put it into something that is going to make you money, okay? Maybe put it into a dividend stock, and that's something I'll talk about in a different video. But that might be something that some of you guys are very interested in, because no matter what, up, down, you're going to get that dividend payment, and some of these stocks actually pay a dividend once a month. Alright, guys, but I'm going to get started. Now, I want to say, if you didn't see my weekend video, you didn't see my call out on Pinterest. And, of course, I can't foresee the future, but I did call Pinterest out because I knew they'd have earnings, and I knew they've been doing amazing because they have partnered with Shopify, and just that whole partnership and the e-commerce, I had a feeling they were going to be doing amazing this quarter, and I was right. And it shot up from around the $50 mark to, look at this, guys, went up to 65.25. I mean, woo! Wow! They hit a home run. Okay. Now, another play that you might be able to do this week is Twitter. And these earnings plays are risky. Now, I want to say, guys, I am not a financial advisor. I am doing this for edutainment, education, and fun, to build a sense of community, and I hope I get a lot of lady investors out there that are scared to jump in the market, because guess what, guys? You do just as well investing, sometimes maybe better. And if you stick with me, I'm going to throw some of these trading ideas out for you. Don't copy what I do. Just put these things on your radar and watch. Sometimes, if this is just a little too much, you can always sit out for a while, guys. It's a very, very long-term game. Don't collect a bunch of breadcrumbs when you can get the whole loaf of bread, okay? Sometimes you just gotta think far out. Like I said, the spring is coming, and we're going to get through this Rona stuff. Eventually we are, and God willing, everybody makes it through, okay, guys? So what I want to say is, if you're really like kind of in panic mode, and you just are like, oh, everything's turning red and I got to cash out, just try to take a step back, relax, and put things in perspective. I'd like to recommend a video that is from Valuetainment. It's called The Next Stock Market Crash, 8 Ways to Prepare for an Economic Collapse. Now, I'm not showing you this because I believe there is going to be an economic crash, but he puts a lot of points out there to kind of put a lot of perspective on what's going on throughout history, what has happened, and how you can kind of look at things and not really just think, oh, this is the end of it, okay? Great video. He can tell you about a whole lot better than I can, so I want to throw this video idea out, guys. Check him out. If you're not a subscriber, I would recommend subscribing. He has a lot of excellent content. Alright, moving back, I said Twitter has earnings on Friday. If you want to do one of these plays, then you can check Twitter out. And I would recommend doing shares, just maybe load up on some shares. Guys, everything is on sale now. It's an amazing time. If you had that money on the sidelines, it's a great time to jump in and buy some of these stocks on sale. All right? When everyone panics, you need to pounce, okay? So Twitter is at a good price, okay? It's got earnings Friday, and I don't want to say, this is guaranteed money, but guys, these social media sites, these social media stocks, they're just going to get bigger and bigger and bigger, okay? So if you want to load up on a little bit of Twitter, play that, you know, I'd say that's a good call, okay? All right, guys. Well, listen, this is just my short midweek video, so I'm going to let you guys go. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe, okay? Let me know where you're watching from. I'd like to connect with some of you guys and get some chat going. And if you haven't joined a stock market academy, if you're a very new stock trader, you might want to check out Capitalist Academy. The link is in the description and also on my banner on the home page. Check that out. Check out Peter DeCarlo's page. We go live every morning at 9 a.m. You're going to have a great community you can talk to, especially weeks like this where you want that great stock market group to reach out to and kind of just get some ideas from and help carry you through. Like I said, the spring is coming, guys. Hang in there. Guys, have a great week. Be safe, and I'll be talking to you soon. Peace.